Welcome back, guys. As you know, at the moment we're talking about the best indicator on TradingView. In the last video, I showed you how it helped me catch a mammoth Bitcoin trade. And as promised, I said I would walk you through the XRP trade that I took alongside it. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, now that we're on TradingView, I'm going to show you how to get the indicator set up. So what you want to do is you want to go up to indicators here, and you're going to go ahead to invite only and click the signaler here. And this indicator in particular works really well with the Heikin Ashi candles. Now to find that, you'll find it up here in this bar, so I'll click mine on. If yours isn't there, click the drop down here and you'll find it over here. To explain the indicator really quickly, if you haven't seen my last video, when it says long with an arrow underneath it, that's a candle that you want to enter for a buy trade, and vice versa. When it says short, that's a candle you want to enter for a sell trade. If it's green in the background, that shows that you're in a bullish trend, and if it's red in the background, that shows that you're in a bearish trend. I'm going to talk you through the XRP trade that I caught towards the back end of last year. Towards the back end of last year, I was given a signal to take a buy trade on XRP USD. The way I did this once I got the alert was I entered on the candle that gave the signal, and I put my stop loss behind the trend line here. Normally with this indicator, I like to trade 1-to-1s, 2-to-1s, or even aim to liquidity on the left. But with cryptocurrency, I like to trail my stop loss. So one thing that I did once we were in this trade, I let it run. And you can see here, it just kept going and going. Carried on all the way up here. Now, I exited this last month. As you can see, it is still moving. And it actually ran to a total of 24 R&R. Now, if you were lucky enough to cash out at the very high, if you were risking $1,000, you would have made $24,000, which is pretty damn good. I took profit when it gave a short signal going the other way. So for me, I ran a total profit of 13.76 R. So it's just shy of $14,000 profit if you were risking 1%. I personally don't like selling cryptocurrency. I like to buy on the dip. So even though there's a short signal now, I'll wait for the price to come lower. And when it gives another long signal, you'll see me entering that again to then cash in on those profits too. I do trade this with other cryptocurrencies too, which I'll show you in other videos. Now to get involved guys, obviously you've got the links in the description, which will take you to a Telegram channel. So we're going to head over there now. Now that you're in the Telegram, you'll see that you have opened up the same page as I have here. I grabbed the lifetime bundles, but you can see here that there's a range of different options that you can actually be doing. For example, you have the 1 month, the 3 month, the 1 year, and obviously the VIP signals as well. For me, I just grabbed the lifetime bundle because I feel like it all works really well together. To go ahead and do that, you click on the lifetime bundle, which will take you to the next page where it will ask you to pay by crypto. If you just click on that, you'll get taken to this bot here, which will give you a variety of different options to pay in your preferred crypto form. I myself use USDT as I have a Revolut, and all of my cash is basically in USDT there at the minute. Also guys, when you sign up to the signaler, you also get access to our group Telegram channel, which is where you'll see other people post the profits that they also have got from the indicator. And obviously if you scroll up, you can see 31.34 here, you can see 204.42% here, 144% here. You can see that it's profits on profits on profits. So if you really immerse yourself in this experience, you'll come out on top and you'll be a very profitable person. To put the alert on the signaler, you click the 3 dots here next to the indicator, add alert, and you can see here that your settings are here. Now, you don't really need to change any of the settings. If you're going to change anything, change the time frame. You might prefer to use the weekly candles, prefer to the daily. It's really your choice. I personally like to use the daily with cryptocurrency. So I'll be using those alerts and I'll wait for a signal to come in to then take that trade. Once you're happy, click create, and then you'll have the alerts all set up. They'll come through on your phone, they'll come through on your laptop. You can even set them to come through on your email as well. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, you'll see all the links in the descriptions below, so you can get involved just like I did. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell so you get notified on my next video.